ते पण आपण कार्टून घेऊ शकतो. म्हणजे चादर, थंडी चादर तू पण घेऊ शकते. व्हिडिओ करायचे.
And identify data sources that other researchers have used. Like I use primary, somebody may use secondary, somebody may use observation technique, primary may use observation technique, different ways of collecting data, different samples, etc. Right? Develop alternative research projects and how each is related to the others. That is what I'm going to discover. Now, when I talk about sources of literature review, there are two sources of literature review, namely primary and secondary. Primary sources are, they mostly rely on, literature reviews mostly rely on primary sources like research reports, where description of studies written by other researchers who have conducted them is given. And it is written by a person who develops a theory or conducted a research, describes an investigation by the same person who has conducted it. Like when I report my study, it is a primary source. And it is very, very credible in the sense, very reliable also. And primary sources are published in literature, published literature basically. Whereas secondary sources, see, I am going to research something and I find out people who have already studied and I list their studies. I write about their studies. Like for example, I told you about women enrollment, and I'm going to research on how it is currently happening in rural areas. Due to online in rural areas without proper network connectivity, are they enrolling? If this is what I want to study, I'm going to research previous research scholars, research work, and I'm going to see published documents. I'm going to see this person has said this person has opined this person's opinion is this, etc. हर एक का जो मुझे relevant लग रहा है मेरी study को, I am going to list out their findings and then I am going to carry on my research. मैंने किसी और का quote किया है. This is the literature that they have done. And I'm going to quote their research work in my research. And these are the sources where usually you can get magazines and newspapers. Newspapers say this is women enrollment is increasing in rural areas. And it can be from electronic database like your internet, like your e-books, etc. Your books, your journals, conference papers, theses, encyclopedia and dictionary and research reports. Now, electronic sources can be computer assisted और these searches which often Google में अगर आपने search किया है तो वो आता है, and then any electronic source. Like these are some of the search engines that I have given, some of the nursing databases, or if you have any educational databases, etc. And these are some of the online journals which can also, you can take out studies from them, consolidate them. Review of literature कैसे करते हैं? So and so percent, right? Like for example, I say XYZ in the year 1998 has published a study on women enrollment. So I will say XYZ 1998 has studied his topic, and he has used, this was his objective, he has used the following methodology, and he has used the following data tools to analyze his data, which is collected through primary sources by using an interview schedule, and he has given this conclusion. He has also suggested these recommendations. Printed sources, like your black book was also a printed source. Dissertation abstract. Abstract matlab summary of the study. Research reports, unpublished dissertation or thesis. That, like, see, all your black books is not published. They are just submitted to us. They are reported research work. And then magazines, newspapers, conference papers, research conferences में जो present करते हैं, proceedings, encyclopedias, dictionary, etc. Whatever data you get from there. Like for example, when I quoted the definition, that was also a quotation that I quoted to you. And Halima, when you got the notification, did you read through it? आपको पढ़ने को मिला, access करने को मिला वो notes जो भी था? Notes access करने को हुआ था आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will permit this week सारे permissions access कर लेती हूँ. Next week से I will make it perfect. And
I think it has some 100 or 150 pages.
yeah, it's exhaustive. आपको जैसे जैसे टॉपिक पढ़ाती जाऊँ, आप उसके हिसाब से फॉलो करो. It's full. सिर्फ review of literature is one topic that is not fully covered, which I covered in my PPT.
Yeah.
Any doubts so far? Yesterday the connection became a bit this thing, so I had to abruptly end the meeting. I couldn't even say a bye. So we will end here. Are you okay? Does anybody have anything to say? Today morning also the attendance was like this. Morning attendance was full. So why only so many people now? Your mark for your attendance also, do you know that? So kindly convey it to your friends. We'll wind up for the day. We'll catch up in the next lecture tomorrow. I will be starting with my IBF tomorrow. Network issue for all. Okay, we will wind up now.